In this video I will show you how to activate and also create a new account on GitHub.com where you have a repository and possibly to save a public or a private your code that you write inside the VS Code or any other development IDE. So for example, first of all, the first step is to open the GitHub.com website, and on the home page you will see that there is several options, but on the right side on the top you can click the sign up button. It will show you what are the steps. So you can see the first step is to enter your email that you would like to use for the registration. So this is the first step that you need to do on your own. So enter the email address that you would like to use. When you enter the email that is valid, click continue, and then it says create a new password. So for example, here you need to enter the password that you would like to use in this case, but make sure that it is at least 15 characters or at least 8 characters including a number and lowercase letter. So pay attention to use a very good password for this, which is a little bit complex, so you do not use only simply numbers. So put 8 characters at least, and also use a number and lowercase letter. Then after that click continue, and then select the username that you would like to use. You can use any username that you would like to show inside your account on the GitHub. So when you're done with the username, you will get here a notification that the username is available. So if your username that you would like to use is not available, you will get a message here. For example, let's use this one, XXX. You will see that the username XXX is not available. So pay attention to use something specific that is very close connected to you, or something similar that is available to use. So when you're ready, simply click continue, and you will see here an email preference that you can checkbox. If you would like to receive product updates and announcements, click here on the checkbox and continue. I will not use this one, so I will continue without that. And then you need to verify your account. There is a puzzle that you need to solve to verify your account, and to start this one you can simply click on the verify button. After that you need to match on the right side the direction as on the left side this image is pointing. So this image have a hand that is pointing towards down, so we need to turn around the chair with the box on it in direction towards that is pointing down. So let's move around. Now it's pointing down, and click submit. If it is everything okay, you will see a message here, and then you can click create account. Then I'm going to click to create an account, and after that I will get on my email a code that has been sent to verify my email account that I have used for registration. After I have entered the code, I get a new page here where it is a welcome message, and here I can select some kind of details for my project, but I will click continue without selecting anything. But it says I need to select the number of team members, so I will click just me, and I will put here, I will say not applicable. Let's continue. And then what specific features are you interested in using? You can select any of these that is visible here, and also you can skip that without selecting any. Click continue, and then you will get here a possible choice that you select a free account or a team. If it is free account, you can see what are the limits and also what is the possibility to use under this account, and for this case I will continue for free. Click here for free, and then you will get here a new homepage for your dashboard for your account. So for now, as you can see, I have registered for the GitHub, and I have my account where I can move forward and create a repository. For example, on the left side you have a green button that says create a repository, where you can save all your codes and also all your projects. So this is all. And also these are the necessary steps to create the account on the GitHub. If you would like to get more information how to get around, and also how to create a repository, and also how to move your code of your projects from your VS Code or from your PC, please check other videos I have created for you so you can see how to use this GitHub, which is very useful. That's all for today, for this video. See you next time on the next video, and happy coding!